So we will create a live data, that is movie live data, which is a mutable live data of type movie. We create an object like this, and this movie live data can be set with this piece of code. Now our main method does not return movie because the live data is taking care of that. So we have this fetch movie here, and go back to activity. Okay, so we have ViewModel.fetch movie, that's a method to fetch the movie, but we have something called ViewModel.liveData, and we are going to observe this live data, and if something changes in that live data, we want to get notified. And how we will be notified? It will return us a movie object. So all this code goes here. So we have ViewModel.fetchMovie.movie. We don't have to write that. We can simply write it.movie because we will be returned this it. So everything has been moved from main thread to background thread just by this suspend function, and all the magic happened here. So we have this view model scope. Now there is one more thing that is good about this view model scope is this this scope is tied to the view model. The scope will be cancelled when view model will be cleared. So that means that we will clean up as well automatically. Once this activity gets destroyed and this view model gets destroyed, this scope will get destroyed, and everything that is running inside that will also get destroyed automatically. So let's run this, see what happens. It says hello world and it says Avengers. Really? So the data is now coming from the API.